Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how to join video calls through Google Calendar. To do so, let's go to google.com. When you open the web page, you want to search for Google Calendar. Again, you're looking for calendar.google.com. Once you see this web link, click on the link to enter the website. When you enter your calendar, you're going to see your whole schedule for the week. As an example, we're looking to join the family reunion that's going to start at 6:30. To do so, I'm going to click on this block here, and I'm going to look for a big blue box that says Join with Google Meet, which can be seen here. When you open this, it's going to ask you if you allow the computer to have access to your camera so you can join through a video call. What you have to do is to click on Allow, and then your camera is going to start here. Once you're ready, you're going to click on Ask to Join, and then join the call.